Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to demonstrate here on 2017 Honda Civic where the rear right power window fuse is located, guys. You have two fuse boxes. We'll need to work in just one of them, which is located inside the vehicle. If you get inside the vehicle on the driver's side under the dash, if you look upside down, you're going to see a fuse box like that next to the OBD port. That's the dash here. We can zoom in that picture so we can clearly show you now, guys. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse that we'll need to check here for the rear right power window. The fuses are labeled as it follows: 1 through 13, 14 through 26, 27 through 39. 27 through 39. So we have, guys, okay, coming right here, it will be super easy. Rear right power window fuse will be number 27. That one right here in the corner, in our case it's a 20 amp fuse that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.